So we're in iNaturalist again, and this time we're going to look at a specific location. So I've zoomed out to the Great Lakes region. You can see the lakes here, kind of a nice way to see the outlines of states because the states are pretty well filled in with these shades of red. So darker red are more observations. You can see the word Wisconsin there, the word Minnesota over here, and the heavy parts are the phenomenon we usually see where there's more collections near where more people live. So lots of evidence around Twin Cities, Chicago, Milwaukee, Madison, and then other urban areas out to the east. And this is a resource if you wanted to investigate a place that you were planning to go, or maybe a place you've already been, or if you've got the app a place where you currently are. You could zoom into a place, and let's say we get closer to Whitewater here, a little bit further south. Okay, so this is a location that I sometimes take the class. The Cattle Moraine Oak Opening is a state natural area across the highway from Young Prairie State Natural Area. And now that we've zoomed in, we've got all these little points on here. I'm going to pull up the map legend, and that tells me that green is for plants, kind of standard you probably would guess. This reddish orange color for probably insects and arachnids here. Not too many mollusks out in the prairie as far as I know. Fungi and then animals. So mostly plants have been reported from that location. This list here needs to be updated, so I'm going to do this. Click here, redo search in map, and that should kind of renew my list here of what we should see. Maybe I'll zoom in even farther to only the Cattle Moraine Oak Opening redo search here. So now we've got a really convenient list of the plants that have been identified in this location. So I can scroll through here, and these are all familiar plants that I've seen. Most of them have my face on them, so I guess I'm a major contributor to this location. Let's see, the highlight. Okay, so these are coming up. If you see over on the left side, some of these different person came through to view that area. So I'm actually going to zoom out just a little bit. I'm curious. I've heard. Zoom back in. I've heard that there's a site in here that is a rich prairie, and I'm not sure exactly where it is. So I'm going to take my chances and see if there's a species that's kind of a little more rare and exciting in this location. I'll try to pinch this in and see if that gets me anything. Redo search. All right, prairie smoke over here. Zizia, stargrass, Seneca snakeroot. That's exciting. All right, so somebody spent a lot of time up in this little corner over here. That might be the location of interest. Let me just get a little greedy and go really fine into this location and see what kind of plants have been found there. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Wood betony, compass plant. So this might be a location worth checking out. So just notice that we can zoom in a place on a map, provided somebody else has been there already. We can see what they came up with.